Okay, we are aware about the operations, the properties of equalities. We say subtraction, addition, multiplication, and division properties of equalities. Suppose we have, or you have 1 kilo of apple in the kitchen over scale imbalance on one side. And on the other side, you have another kilo of apple. Let's say this one red and that's green apple, okay? Now you went to the kitchen and you was hungry. So you decided to take 2 apples from one of the sides to eat. What will happen to the balance? It will be unbalanced like that. Yes? If you take from there, so this it will be like that. Sure? But what if you wanted to keep the balance? What can you do? After you already ate them.
And more.
From where you add? You have nothing.
The newest one, you should
I guess.
First, piece. You take one piece from the other apple.
Exactly. So if you took 2 from here and you wanted to keep the balance, you should take the same amount from the other side so the equivalent kept. Yeah? This process is called subtraction property of equality because I've subtracted 2 from here and 2 from there. What if I was adding? Isn't it keeping the balance as well? So adding the same amount here and there? Yes? So this is the addition property of equality. What if I have multiplied this 1 kilo by 3 to be 3 kilograms here? And I multiplied here also by 3. Isn't it the same?
Yes.
So we say multiplication property of equality. We have actually 4 properties of equalities. The addition, subtraction, multiplication, and the division property of equality. Now, to solve equations, I want to do the reverse way, to undo the equation. And word of solve means find the variable and assign alone. So eventually, after we finish solving, we need this notation, that x or the variable equals a certain value, equals something. Alright? The equation we have now is negative 5 equals b plus 8. B plus 8. So negative 5 is the same as b in addition to 8. To undo the 8, I need to use the inverse operation of
Plus.
what is the inverse of plus?
Plus minus.
Minus. So I'll be taking away the same amount. I'll be taking away and subtracting the same amount. However, because this is equal, so it's exactly like the scaling balance in the kitchen, I need to take the same amount from the other side as well to keep the equivalent.
Balance.
To keep the balance. So I will subtract 8 also. So whatever operation I apply in one side, I should apply the same exactly in the other side to keep the balance. Clear? Now what I have here, 8 minus 8, that is 0, it's cancelled. Yep. And on the other side, I got negative 5 minus 8. These are negative 13. Equals what? B. Do I have the variable alone here? Yes or no?
I have a question.
Yeah, please.
How can you make 13 into negative? It shouldn't be possible.
No, negative 5 and negative 8. You lost 5 dirhams, then you lost 8 dirhams. So this is more negative. Yeah? Now, B equals negative 13. Now, do I have the variable alone here?
Yes.
Does any other number with the variable multiplied, added, or subtracted to the variable? Then this is my answer. B equals.
Negative 13 equals b minus 8 minus 0.
We will have more examples. We will have more examples. Okay. Like this, plus 0 minus 0.
Yes.
It's nothing. You can just cancel it because adding or subtracting zeros are nothing. Easy, sir? Okay. Now let's take one more example.
There is an easier way. You can just do what is negative 5 plus 8.
It's negative 5 minus 8, not plus 8.
Yes. Negative 5
That's negative 13. That's what I've done. Now we have one more example. So x plus 4 equals negative 3. So think about the aim, please, sir. Think about the aim. What we are aiming from this.
Negative
Yes.
3, we will make it to 3.
No, we are aiming to isolate the variable. We are aiming to keep x alone. So this is my aim. Whenever you saw this word, solve, it means please find the variable alone. Okay? Now, isolating x requires removing positive 4. Am I correct? So how can I remove the positive 4 using the inverse operation? If this is plus, the inverse of plus is minus. So I'm going to subtract 4 from both sides. This leads to the cancellation of 4. And then on the other side I have negative 3 minus 4. So lost 3, lost 4. These are negative. Yes?
Still 7.
Thank you very much.